Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up all your photos on Google Photos. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in now. Here's how to see backup photos in Google Photos. Now if you have Google Photos, backing up all of the photos in your gallery and videos, all of that stuff, if you want to see exactly what is in Google, what has been backed up, I'm going to show you how to do that. So of course, let's hop into the Google Photos app here, and I'm just going to tap on my profile icon at the top right now. I'm going to tap on Google Photos settings at the very bottom, and I want to check this backup, so I'm going to tap on that. So you can see backup is turned on, and you can see which account, my Gmail account, that it is backing up all these photos. But it doesn't necessarily tell me exactly which photos are backed up. If I want to see all of them, all I have to do is hop out of here, and I'm going to open up a web browser now. I'm just going to go to photos.google.com and hit go. Now the key here is that you want to make sure that you're logged into the correct Gmail account that you want to access all of those photos that were backed up. So you can see I can tap the three lines at the top, left, and at the top right here. It'll show me my little profile icon indicating which account that I'm logged into. But here I can go through and scroll through all of these different photos that are on my Google Photos. Again, you can switch between different Gmail accounts if you have multiple accounts, because you might have photos associated with different Gmail accounts. Hope this helps you. Have any questions on that, leave in the comments down below. Helps if you did hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.